Hey guys, are you using the Microsoft 365 developer program and just got a renewal notice? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to renew your Microsoft 365 subscription so you don't lose access to your dev tools. So firstly, guys, you need to go to your developer dashboard. It's going to be located at developer.microsoft.com and then /Microsoft 365/dev program. Use the email tied to your Microsoft 365 dev tenant. It's not going to work with a personal account. Keep that in mind. Once logged in, you will land on your subscription dashboard. After that, under subscription tab, you'll see your environment details and expiration date. To remain eligible for renewal, you need to show you're actively using the dev tenant. This includes actions like sending test emails, creating sample users, using SharePoint or Teams DevTools, and installing Microsoft Graph APIs. If you're inactive, the subscription may not renew automatically. After that, if your dashboard has a renewal button, click it. Otherwise, your dev account will auto-renew if activity is detected. Once renewed, Microsoft will send a confirmation. The new expiration date will also show on your dashboard. And that's pretty much how to do this. Now keep your DevTools active and don't let your environment expire. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and of course, I will see you in the next one.